There's a quiet shift happening in the American car market, and most buyers haven't even noticed it. For years, SUVs and crossovers have dominated sales across the United States. They've grown bigger, packed with more technology, and become the go-to choice for millions of drivers. These days, you can walk into almost any dealership and see that nearly everything revolves around this type of vehicle. And as demand keeps rising, so do the prices. But while almost everyone has been focused on SUVs, an entire category has quietly been left behind: hatchbacks. And that's surprising, because many of these cars still offer exactly what most people actually need for everyday driving. They're lighter, more fuel efficient, cheaper to maintain, easier to park, and in many cases, they're simply more enjoyable to drive than crossovers that cost several $1,000s more. The problem is that hatchbacks have picked up an unfair reputation. A lot of people still see them as basic, budget-friendly cars, when the reality is very different. Over the past few years, automakers have invested heavily in engineering, safety, build quality, and technology for this segment. But the market's attention has simply shifted somewhere else, and that's exactly where the opportunity comes in. When a segment loses popularity, it doesn't necessarily mean the products have gotten worse. More often than not, it just means they've fallen out of fashion. And when that happens, smart buyers can find incredibly well-rounded cars for significantly less money than comparable vehicles in other segments. In today's video, we're taking a look at 5 affordable hatchbacks that rank among the most underrated cars of 2026. Not because they're rare or hard to find, but because they offer far more than the market seems to give them credit for. We'll talk about fuel economy, reliability, engineering, maintenance costs, interior space, and why some of these models actually outperform compact SUVs in several key areas. And here's something I'll tell you right now. Some of the cars on this list are very well known, but the reason they're here probably isn't what most people expect. So let's get started with number 5. Number 5, the 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback. Coming in at number 5 is a car that has only recently arrived on the American market. And because it's so new, most buyers still haven't realized just how much potential it has. We're talking about the 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback. While most shoppers continue to focus on entry-level compact SUVs, Kia decided to take a different approach. Instead of abandoning hatchbacks like many automakers have over the past few years, the company invested in an all-new model designed for drivers who still appreciate a compact, efficient, and versatile car. At first glance, some people might assume it's just a smaller SUV. But once you look at the numbers, it's clear that this car is built with a completely different purpose in mind. The K4 hatchback measures just over 4.4 meters in length, but it makes excellent use of its interior space thanks to Kia's new platform. Its long wheelbase gives rear passengers plenty of room, while the cargo area remains highly competitive for the segment, offering more than enough practicality for everyday driving and even weekend road trips. Under the hood, the base version comes with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine, producing around 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with a CVT transmission tuned to prioritize comfort and fuel efficiency. Meanwhile, the GT-line turbo versions step things up significantly. They come equipped with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, matched with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The result is a level of performance that feels well above what you'd normally expect from a compact hatchback. This difference in powertrains allows the K4 to serve two completely different types of buyers. Those looking for efficiency get a simple and economical setup. Those who want something more engaging find a hatchback capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7 seconds, a performance level that many compact crossovers simply can't match. Another interesting point is fuel economy. The naturally aspirated versions are rated close to 35 to 40 miles per gallon on the highway, placing the K4 among the most efficient compact cars in its class without relying on any hybrid system. But perhaps the biggest highlight is the interior. Kia has brought almost the same level of technology found in its more expensive models into this hatchback. Depending on the trim, it offers dual integrated displays of around 12.3 inches, over-the-air software updates, wireless charging, advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, and a cabin that feels significantly more premium than what you'd normally expect from an entry-level car. And that's exactly where it starts to make sense. While many buyers are paying several $1,000s more for a compact crossover just to get a higher driving position, the K4 hatchback delivers nearly the same level of technology: better fuel economy, lower weight, more engaging driving dynamics. and a much more competitive price point, of course. It doesn't yet have the long-term reliability track record of models like the Civic or the Mazda3, simply because it's brand new to the market. But between its modern platform, Kia's 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty for the original owner, and its tech package, it stands out as one of the most interesting hatchbacks to watch in 2026. And what's even more interesting is that, because it still doesn't get as much attention as the brand's SUVs, a lot of people simply walk past it without realizing how much this car has evolved. But if number 5 is surprising because it's new, the next car on the list does the exact opposite. It has been around for decades, built a global fanbase, and yet it remains one of the most underrated hatchbacks in the American market. Number 4, the Volkswagen Golf. The 4th place goes to a car that really doesn't need much introduction. For decades, it has been considered the benchmark among compact hatchbacks, but in the United States, it slowly got overshadowed by the SUV boom, as well as the gradual reduction of the Golf lineup in the American market. We're talking about the Volkswagen Golf. What's interesting is that many people still associate Volkswagen in general with expensive maintenance or questionable reliability. But when we look at the more recent versions equipped with the 1.5T SI turbo engine, the reality is quite different. That engine produces around 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, numbers that might not look impressive on paper. But they move a relatively light car weighing just a little over 3,000 pounds. The result is a driving experience that feels noticeably more agile than most compact crossovers sold in the same price range. Another strong point is fuel economy. Depending on the version, the Golf can exceed 40 miles per gallon on the highway, while still delivering very competitive numbers in city driving. For people who cover a lot of miles during the week, that difference adds up to significant savings over the course of a year. But what has always truly set the Golf apart is its engineering. The suspension is tuned in a more refined way than what you typically find in a compact hatchback. The steering feels precise, the chassis gives you a strong sense of solidity, and the cabin insulation is above average for the segment. It's one of those cars that immediately feels like it belongs in a higher class the moment you start driving it. The interior follows the same philosophy, even in the more basic trims. The materials feel well put together, the seats offer excellent support, and the driving position works just as well for daily traffic as it does for long highway trips. In practice, the Golf ends up competing with compact SUVs that cost several $1,000s more, while delivering a more refined driving experience, better fuel efficiency, and a lower center of gravity that noticeably improves stability in corners. Of course, it does require more attention to preventative maintenance compared to some of the Japanese cars on this list. Respecting oil change intervals, using the correct fluids, and following the service schedule makes a huge difference in long-term durability. When that's done properly, it can be an extremely reliable and enjoyable car for many years. And maybe it's exactly because it carries a reputation that doesn't always match the current models that the Golf continues to be one of the most underrated hatchbacks on the market. But while the Golf stands out for build quality and driving experience, the next car on the list stands out for a completely different reason. It offers a feature that has almost disappeared in modern hatchbacks, and it could make all the difference for drivers dealing with snow, rain, or rougher roads. Number 3, the Subaru Impreza Hatchback. The 3rd place proves that the smartest car on paper isn't always the one that gets the most attention. While most automakers have moved away from traditional hatchbacks and focused almost entirely on crossovers, Subaru has kept betting on a formula that very few competitors can match. We're talking about the Subaru Impreza Hatchback. The biggest difference with this car shows up even before you start the engine. Unlike most hatchbacks in this segment, the Impreza comes standard with symmetrical all-wheel drive across all trims. This is the kind of feature that usually forces buyers into an SUV or requires paying thousands of dollars extra with other brands. Under the hood, the 2026 lineup uses a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder boxer engine, capable of producing around 152 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque, paired with Subaru's Linertronic CVT automatic transmission. It may not be the most performance-focused setup on this list, but it was engineered to prioritize smooth operation, stability, and low running costs. Fuel economy is also impressive for a car with permanent all-wheel drive. Depending on the version, the Impreza can achieve around 34 miles per gallon on the highway, numbers that are very close to several front-wheel drive hatchbacks in the same segment. But Subaru's engineering goes far beyond fuel economy figures. The boxer engine, with its horizontally opposed cylinders, helps lower the car's center of gravity. This improves cornering stability, reduces body roll, and creates a more balanced driving feel, especially on winding roads or low-traction surfaces. Another often overlooked strength is safety. The Impreza consistently earns strong crash test ratings and comes equipped with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system. That includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and other technologies that, just a few years ago, were reserved for much more expensive vehicles. Inside, the space is also surprisingly generous. Rear passengers have plenty of comfort, the trunk easily handles luggage for a small family, and the split folding rear seats add a lot of versatility for carrying bikes, sports gear, or larger grocery runs. When compared to a compact SUV with all-wheel drive, the price difference becomes very noticeable in many cases. Buyers can get a well-equipped Impreza while saving several $1,000s, without giving up safety, practicality, or the ability to handle harsh weather conditions. And that might be exactly why it deserves a place on this list. The market tends to see the Impreza as just another hatchback, when in reality it delivers features that usually belong to a higher class of vehicle. But while the Impreza wins over drivers who value safety and all-weather capability, the second-place entry takes a completely different approach. It delivers a level of refinement and driving experience that makes many people forget they are even behind the wheel of a compact hatchback. Number 2, the Mazda3 Hatchback. The second place goes to one of those cars that almost always surprises people the first time they drive it. On paper, it looks like just another compact hatchback. But in reality, it delivers an experience that feels much closer to a premium car than an entry-level model. We're talking about the Mazda3 Hatchback. While many manufacturers focused on adding more screens and extra features, Mazda chose to invest in something that doesn't always show up on a spec sheet. Build quality. The moment you step inside the Mazda3, you can feel the difference. The dashboard materials, the tight panel fit, the cabin insulation, and the driving position all create a sense of refinement that you usually only find in much more expensive cars. On the mechanical side, the most common version uses Mazda's well-known Skyactiv G 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, producing around 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, always paired with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. In a market where many competitors rely on CVT gearboxes to maximize efficiency, Mazda chose to stick with a conventional automatic, delivering more natural responses and a more engaging driving feel for those looking for even more performance. There's also a turbocharged version, powered by a 2.5-liter turbo engine that can produce up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when running on premium gasoline. This puts the Mazda3 among the quickest hatchbacks in its class without stepping into full hot hatch territory. Even with its above-average performance, fuel economy remains highly competitive. The naturally aspirated versions can achieve around 35 to 37 miles per gallon on the highway, striking an excellent balance between efficiency and performance. But perhaps the Mazda3's greatest strength is the way it drives. The suspension is tuned for stability and precision. The steering provides far more feedback than most of its competitors. And the chassis feels incredibly solid, even at higher speeds. It's a car built for people who genuinely enjoy driving, something that's becoming increasingly rare among modern compact cars. Another major advantage is the reliability of its powertrain. Mazda's Skyactiv engines have earned an excellent reputation by relying on relatively simple engineering rather than excessive turbocharging or overly complex technology. With proper routine maintenance, they have consistently proven to be dependable, with very low rates of mechanical problems over the years. When comparing vehicles side by side, many buyers end up choosing a compact crossover simply because it looks more modern. But for the same money, the Mazda3 Hatchback offers a more upscale interior, stronger performance, similar fuel economy, and a driving experience that very few SUVs can match. That's exactly why it takes the number 2 spot on this list. It's not just an economical hatchback, it's a car that delivers far more quality than its price would suggest. But there is one hatchback that manages to combine almost all of these strengths in a single package. It's fuel efficient, exceptionally reliable, spacious, holds its value extremely well, and remains one of the smartest choices for anyone planning to keep the same car for many years. And that's exactly why it earns the number 1 spot. Number 1. The Honda Civic Hatchback. If there's one hatchback that brings together almost everything buyers look for in a daily driver, it's the Honda Civic Hatchback. It doesn't top this list because it's the most powerful, and it isn't here because it's the cheapest either. It takes the number 1 spot because it delivers a level of balance that very few cars can match. Over the course of several decades, The Civic has built an incredibly strong reputation across the United States, and the hatchback version takes that winning formula one step further, adding more cargo space and a level of versatility that many sedans simply can't offer. In the latest generation, the Civic Hatchback is available with different powertrain options, but one of the biggest highlights is the new hybrid system. It combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors. Together, they produce around 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. Impressive numbers for a car that's clearly designed with efficiency in mind, and the results show up in both performance and fuel economy. Even while delivering acceleration that's comparable to many compact turbocharged SUVs, the Civic Hybrid can achieve around 50 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient non-electric cars on the American market today. But efficiency has never been the Civic's only strength. Honda has always placed a strong emphasis on driving dynamics. The steering is quick and precise. The suspension does an excellent job of absorbing rough pavement without sacrificing stability, and the driving position remains one of the best in its class. It's a car that's comfortable enough for the daily commute, yet still inspires confidence on long highway trips. Another key reason behind its reputation is reliability. Honda's powertrain is well known for requiring little more than routine maintenance to reach remarkably high mileage. It's not uncommon to see Civics with more than 200,000 or even 300,000 miles still being driven every day, especially when they've received regular oil changes and maintenance on schedule. That reputation also helps the Civic retain one of the strongest resale values among compact cars in the United States. The interior has evolved right alongside the rest of the car. The cabin features high-quality materials, excellent ergonomics, a modern infotainment system, and one of the most spacious interiors in the segment. The hatchback also offers noticeably more cargo space than the sedan, making it a much more practical choice for small families, road trips, or anyone who regularly needs to haul larger items. Compared to many compact crossovers, the Civic Hatchback continues to offer several important advantages. It uses less fuel, weighs less, delivers sharper handling, costs less to keep fueled over the years, and in many cases offers a lower total cost of ownership than SUVs that seem more appealing, simply because they sit higher off the ground, and that may be the biggest reason it earns the top spot on this list. While the market continues to associate hatchbacks with basic transportation, the Civic proves that a well-engineered car can deliver efficiency, performance, practicality, reliability, and outstanding resale value all at the same time. It doesn't try to be the flashiest car in its class, it simply does almost everything exceptionally well. And when a car has been doing exactly that for decades, it's easy to understand why it remains one of the smartest automotive buys of 2026.